channel. I thought I would do a different video for you guys today, since I kind of had a laundry theme going on. I don't know what, but for me, I just love doing laundry. So I thought I would show you guys my DIY laundry detergent under $5, and it lasts the two of us over a year, even longer. It's been a while since I made it, so I just figured I would make it with you guys today, and so I'm going to share it with you. So what you guys are going to need is, I get the clear container like this with the locking lids. I just purchased this at Walmart. It's 6 quarts. You will need the Dr. Barra soap. You can use, they have peppermint, I think, and lavender. I prefer the smell of the lavender, so I get that one. You'll need one of these, and I'm not going to pronounce the name because I always butcher it when I say that. So you'll need one of these. You will need 1 box of Arm & Hammer washing soda, and you will need 1 box of borax. Now those guys, you won't use the whole box of them, so you can probably get 2 or 3 batches out of that. You only need 2 cups per box. So that's what we need, and I'm gonna go ahead and start. First, your bin. Now the first ingredients I like to put in are the more dry ingredients. The one thing I did forget to mention is you will need a grater to grate up the other items. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, there we go. I don't want to make too much of a mess. Alright, so now, and the other thing I forgot to mention as well is the grater is from the cheapo dollar store, and the same with the measuring cups I use. I don't like to use the ones from my kitchen. There'd be nothing wrong with it, but I just don't prefer that. So you're going to do 2 cups of this guy. Okay, I'm trying not to make a mess, y'all, and I normally rip the entire box, and I didn't want to do that this time, so I'm trying to do this a little bit better so I don't have a giant mess. We'll see, I might end up with a mess. So it doesn't have to be, I don't know, it doesn't have to be an exact cup. That's good enough, so we're going to dump one of those. Another one. You will have some room in this container when I'm done. It doesn't fit. It has a little bit of room left, and I mean, I transport it and I'll put it in mason jars or just different things too. Second cup of that. Now the reason I like to make my own laundry detergent, 1, it saves money, and 2, it also dissolves in water better, and I'm going to do a comparison at the end of the video of a name brand detergent versus a homemade kind of detergent and how it mixes with the water, because the name brand detergents and some of the other detergents, they create like a jelly and they just form to your clothes and they never get rinsed out. So you have like this gunky goo on your clothes. It's kind of gross if you look at it. So anyways, now we're going to do 2 cups of this guy. There we go. 1, 2. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, so if you get a little bit more, get a little bit more, not a big deal. I sometimes will get a spoon to mix it, or I'll just use my measuring spoons, which are what I use for a cup. So just mix those two together thoroughly. Now for your next ingredient, you're going to take your bar of soap and you're going to unpeel it. Okay guys, now that you have it all grated, as you can see, it takes a little bit of time to grate, but not much. You're just gonna mix all of that together. Now you have both bars of soap, well, the laundry stain remover and the bar of soap. I like the stain remover because it really does help with stain removal and stuff with your laundry. Also, that bar of soap that I use, the Dr. Bronner's, is the only bar of soap that works for this. So do not think you guys can go down and buy a cheap bar of soap and work. I mean, it might work, but not the same as this. So now the reason why I like this detergent, as you guys can see, it's all mixed up. The reason I like this detergent, I'm just going to do a quick disclaimer, is one, for a regular size wash machine, you will need 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent. So do you realize how long this will last? Now, for my mini wash machine that you guys see in the trailer that I do most of my laundry in, you will need 1/4 of a tablespoon. 1/4 of a tablespoon. You realize how long this will last us? Quite a while. Now, the other thing I really like about it is it's great for sensitive skin. It even is baby safe. It also works for people that have eczema or things like that because there's no harsh dyes or perfumes in it. As you can see, the only dye is a quick yellow. So it is all now mixed. Now I'm going to show you why I use this versus my other. Now I have 2 mason jars full of water. This is ice cold water. Now I'm going to take and put 1/4 of a tablespoon in here. I'm going to set this out of my way. Now this other one, I'm going to use your regular laundry detergent. Now I'm going to pop these. These are pods. I'm going to pop it just because it will help dissolve, hopefully. Now I'm using the recommended amount. Okay, now the recommended amount for a regular wash machine is 2 Tide Pods. Now I'm going to sit there and I'm going to shake this. Alright, that took... Alright, now we're going to set that there. Now I'm going to sit there and shake this. Alright, now I shook them about the same time. Now as you can see, this one, it is all dissolved. Except the little soap pieces, which is normal. It takes a little bit longer. Now, here we have those Tide Pods. I poked a hole in them. And they still have not dissolved. One, that's what happens when you put them in your wash machine. Not only that, they have harsh dyes and perfumes. And if you shake them, like really shake them, and you do get them to pop, as you can see, that's what they do in your wash machine. They do not fully pop. So I have used these things several times. Not only this, I've used other laundry detergent as well, but I will put the laundry detergent in, especially the Tide Pods, and I will come out and I will have that skin from the Tide Pod stuck to one of my clothing items, and I don't find out until it's dry in my dryer. So yeah, you guys can see they're still not dissolved. So that is the reason why I like to make my own laundry detergent, because one, you can shake. As you can see, it is dissolved. I like it because it's great for sensitive skin. It takes a lot less to do for a whole thing. It's like night and day difference. So that is why I do my DIY laundry detergent. Like I said, it's very affordable too, which is great. so that is what I do. And I will package it up into like mason jars or different things, so I don't have to leave it in this bin, but a lot of times I'll just leave it in here. Doesn't really matter. Either way works. Just kind of an airtight container is what I recommend, what I do, so the moisture doesn't get to it. I hope you guys like this video today. If you like videos like this, definitely hit my subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. I'd love to have you all a part of my YouTube family. Yeah, and if you guys like other videos like laundry, house cleaning, clean with me, modest fashion, things like that, wife life, definitely check out my channel. I'd love to see you guys over there. And if you guys are not new, thank you for clicking on this video, and I'm glad that you guys are a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day.